from 3 o'clock this morning. Them carry the whole of the man them and then lit down the place them.
So the babies are old, sir?
3 days old. The neighbors don't even drop yet. See at the end of the bus stop.
And they demolished the house?
Yes.
Alright, so we can find her. So, just outside the hotel gate, the bus stop is here. This is where we're going to find a mother with a 3 days old baby. Her house was demolished this morning. And we understand that this is where she sought shelter. And we're here to see her.
This morning, the baby part showing the baby string.
Not even the neighbor's string drop yet.
Not even not even a week yet. And at 3 o'clock,
3 days old baby.
Them push her out of the house and lock up her baby father.
And put her on the bus stop. What am I
See the
doing?
things they saw.
We put her there. On the road they put her. We put her there. And her baby father is an ex-soldier.
And take her baby father and my stepson. And then tell me, so me have to move out the people. And stitches me get and me can't do it. No. So me just sit down and she did there, so with me I go and help with the baby.
So what are you going to do now? Where do you go from here? Your house smashed down?
No, they don't mash it down.
I see it? Okay.
No.
But you had to come out?
Yes, that is.
So how you feel about that now?
I feel a little bad, yes. I never expect this.
Very bad. Very, very bad. This is wickedness. It's a wickedness. God knows this is a wickedness. 3 days old baby. This is a wickedness, man.
Evidence of this insensitivity that has been demonstrated this morning. You come on the eve of the morning, right before people even wake up, and you come with equipment and you demolish people without notice. And I said earlier, this against the background that we are giving homes to over 10,000 despicable human beings from the US deported here. We're accepting them here, we're giving them home. Rapists, pedophiles. But Jamaicans have no home. Look at it. 3 day old baby. Displaced under a bus stop.
This is the bus stop outside of a hotel here in Trelawny. And this is where this mother with her 3 days old baby has sought shelter following that demolition exercise this morning in the Cooper's Pen area of Trelawny. These are some of her belongings here that were thrown out of her house, and she's now seeking shelter under this bus stop just outside the gates of one of our hotels here in Trelawny. So we are walking through Cooper's Pen right now, police patrolling the area. We're just outside the gate of a hotel here, and on the other side is where the mass demolition started, ended abruptly. People have been given a chance to get themselves together. Strong detachment of police watching the area right now as we take a walk back up the hill here. Folks here trying to pick up the pieces following this mass demonstration this morning. So this is some of what happened here this morning in Cooper's Pen, Trelawny, just along the North Coast Highway, close to Burwood Beach. We will have more on this in subsequent newscasts. More and more devastation from demolition. People here are confused. Some of them trying to pick up the pieces. Some are just walking as if in a daze. This is something you hardly ever get to witness, but it happened here this morning in Cooper's Pen. A mass Demolition. Land said to be privately owned was occupied by a number of homes, number of families. I'm hearing more than 50 families. And this is
All right, cool. All right.
the result of the action this morning.